movies in Florida, and I'm gonna see You Me in Tuscany, and I think it should be good. I'm just gonna watch it anyway. I haven't been to the movies in a couple months, so yeah. Right now it's about to start. I believe the commercials are playing, and I didn't buy any food yet, so I don't know if I want to, but definitely I think it should be good. So I'll let you guys know the review on how it goes.
I need someone serious.
I'm seriously in love with you.
I love you.
Morning, Eric.
Looking good, Anna.
First my husband ruins the Hamptons with his Speedo. And now this. Are you wearing my lingerie that snaps together?
Neat.
Let me guess, finance, bro?
Ouch. Oh, real estate.
Oof, even worse. Actually, do you know any good apartments?
Uh-huh. Well, what is your price?
I know. It's perfect. You didn't even exchange numbers. How you gonna call him? Girl, it's not about him, okay? He doesn't even live there anymore.
Oh, even better. Perfect conditions for my friend to get kidnapped.
Okay, it's meant to be. I'm using the ticket my mama owns. I am now.
Let's go. Oh, here is where I went to elementary school.
Questions?
You should be nicer to me, considering we're the only two.
People speaking English?
Cute. You should at least apologize for ruining the experience.
What experience, by the way, it's very romantic.
What am I gonna do, Lorenzo?
Okay, I see three options here. Number one, you can go.
Yours?
Yeah, it was my parents. But they gave it all up.
He is not that fine.
You don't know what I said when I first saw you. Lavoro così tanto perché non ho qualcuno come lei nella vita.
Okay, you guys, so the movie's over. It was good. I would say 10 out of 10. It's been a while since I've watched a movie in theaters, so it feels good to come out here. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And yeah.